out, sweetheart. All right, guys. We're going to be doing transformations of graphs. All right. We talked about the left and the right shifts in the previous video. We talked about what makes it go up and what makes it go down. Now we're going to talk about what causes graphs to kind of go up more closer towards the y-axis versus what makes it go towards the x, okay? Now basically this is the same thing that has to do with slope. So slope, rise over run. You can see the bigger our slope, the bigger the number, the higher the rise, okay? The smaller the number, the lower the rise. That's basically, it's the same concept for exponential functions. All right. Let's do some more examples. So this is my parent function right here. That's my parent function, okay? Now for this, let's say I add a negative to my exponent. Okay, I want to make sure you guys can see this. You can close the door, Rena, it's okay. All right, so we've got a negative in our exponent, okay? In this instance, when you have a negative in your exponent, all this is going to really do is it's going to make your graph flip the other way. Okay, so this would be the result of the transformation right here. I'm coloring it in. It's a lot darker than the parent. Parent is the original form, okay? Let's do another one. All right, what would happen if our base was negative and our exponent is positive? What would happen? All right, in this case, as you can see, this graph actually shifted on the y-axis, okay? It just flipped on the y-axis. In this instance, baby, hold on a second. On this instance, it's gonna flip on the x. So when there's a negative in the base, this graph basically goes this way. It goes down, okay? It's really just as simple as that. Now, if you can get these 4 examples down, I gave 2 examples of when they flip over the axes, the x-axis, the y-axis, versus the first example where it kind of shifts up, it shifts down, left to the right. You're gonna be able to figure out how to do these transformations.